This week on our budget OBS build, we tackle the rear portion of our 4.6 drop kit that we got from Arizona Performance, made by BellTech.
Wrapping up the back end of our OBS build, we got the C-notches in.
Yep.
We got the release back in.
We got the axle flipped.
Now this isn't a 5.7 drop, so we didn't need the extra hanger, so we put the factory hangers back on. We've got the new purchase and the new bolts for the rear to set up. We got the shock extenders on that came with the kit.
Yep, brand new nitro drop 2s.
Yep. So this is, again, this is a 4.6 drop. Now remind you that this video isn't a how-to. There's a lot of steps we didn't show you. We're not trying to show you how to do every little step. We'll have videos in the description tell you how to do that, because there's plenty of people who's done this before. This is just another progress or update for our build. So back end's done. Next week we've got the front to do. We got new control arms, upper and lowers to put on, all new bushings to put in. We should have the chassis rolling. And then next we have the little shop brake kit, front and back.
Yep.
Rear disc front and back with the whole new setup. So should be pretty sweet. Oh, that's it for today. I'm Jim.
I'm Dougie.
See you next week.
Stay addicted to octane. That's the...